I was reading the newspaper today and I came across this news that $1 is equivalent to 82.84 Indian rupees. And I can easily recollect that in 2020, $1 was equivalent to 72.13 Indian rupees. What does it mean? That over the 4 years, though it keeps fluctuating, but Indian rupee has depreciated, trying to say that now one has to pay more rupees for the goods equivalent to $1. It also implies that Indian goods are cheaper and more competitive in the international markets. It also implies that export-oriented industries are going to gain a lot. It also implies that imports will be expensive. It also implies that it's going to improve the trade balance. And sometimes it is market determined, sometimes government purposely devalues the currency to improve the trade balance and maintain economic stability. And it is relevant to understand what leads to depreciation or appreciation of any currency. Because if you have knowledge, you can then make an informed choice about making any transaction with the foreign nations. So let us understand the intricacies of what happens when currency depreciates. Hello everyone, welcome to our ECOSTUDYS channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Macroeconomics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight of the offered courses on our website that will enable you to prepare well and score well in your CBSE and CUET examination. Before we jump onto the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not lose out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now, let's get started. Suppose currency depreciates. One of the reasons is that interest rates are lower. Suppose currency depreciates. Generally, lower interest rates tend to be unattractive for foreign investment and decrease the currency's relative value, leading to depreciation. When the central bank realizes that the market value of domestic currency is depreciating against foreign currency, the exchange rate goes down. As a result, exports will be cheaper. There will be an increase in exports, and domestic firms benefit from increased sales as it helps in an increase in aggregate demand. But at the same time, foreign goods become expensive. There will be decrease in imports. Due to increase in demand, if imports rise, it would lead to high import bill of the government. And with falling value of domestic currency, there would be high current account deficit. Therefore, there will be an increase in exports and decrease in imports. Falling value of rupee or rising value of foreign currency, import bill of the government mounts up, resulting in high current account deficit. So there will be an increase in demand for foreign currency. Now, central bank maintains foreign exchange reserves to ensure that the exchange rate stays within the targeted value. It exercises its influence through sale and purchase of foreign currency in the international money market. Now, the central bank would like to restore the value of domestic currency and will start selling the foreign currency from its foreign exchange reserves in the international money market and expects to increase the supply in the market. Other things remaining constant, increase in supply of foreign currency would be expected to reduce its price in relation to domestic currency, and finally, the value of domestic currency gets restored. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to ECOSTUDYS channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.